Mga kwentuhan na dapat mong malaman.
Kasi magpapatulong, o sige, bigyan mo ako, walang in return. Sinong tutulong sa mga taong yun na para maabot yung mga pangarap nila?
Tsaka pag gusto mo naman po kasi yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo siya maiisip na, na parang draining.
Kasi lahat posible. Lahat ng bagay is posible.
Do something that you love. Habang pagod na pagod ka, hindi ka give up kasi you love what you're doing.
Always remember po ang lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo. Everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye! Good evening, everybody. This is a Monday again. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And I hope everybody is doing well at nasa bahay, home safe. And magandang tsikahan tayo ngayong gabi. Kikilalanin natin ang isang babae na alamin natin paano siya nag-start dito sa industriya to. Being a singer, a songwriter, and an actor. But before that, sabi ko nga, make it a habit every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. Of course, nag-start po tayo sa akin, Chikahan with Mommy Ray. Every Wednesday naman po, up, top, down, low, ang aming podcast with Charles Dion and Caleb Alvarez, which is Caleb, miss you so much. Magaling ka, anak. Magkikita na tayo soon, I know. And then every Friday naman po, coffee chat with Daven tayo. Of course, every Friday po yan. Lahat po to, you're gonna watch it dito po sa amin Facebook page, Ignos Novos Artist Management, 7 p.m. po. Now, which is pareho po ng amin Instagram is Ignos Novos Artist Management. And of course, please follow, like, and subscribe, and share ang aming TikTok account at ignosnovos.official. And please follow our mother company, First Son Production, with the same Facebook and Instagram, First Son Production. And of course, our YouTube channel kung saan nyo po mapapanood ang aming, aming live. After this, we're gonna watch po yung aming mga live namin na stream ng every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. And of course, our mga way back Wednesday, yung aming mga ganap na sa aming mga theater show and also events. You can see all of that po sa aming YouTube channel na First Son Creatives. Yan. Pag-uusapan natin ngayong gabi, isasabay natin sa init ng panahon yan. Mainit na tsikahan to. For a young lady na nakaka-achieve na siya ng madami sa buhay niya. Being an actor, a singer, and a songwriter. Yung mas lalo yung sa songwriter, dun ako nai-impress. Kasi not everybody can make a song at magagawa ng isang melody. So pag-usapan natin lahat yan. And please welcome my special guest, Kiana Alia Cervantes.
Hello! Good evening! Good evening, everyone! Good evening, Mommy Ray!
Good evening, Kiana.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Of course. Thank you din na kahit sa busy schedule mo, pumayag ka na mag-guest sa amin. Yan.
Of course. course.
Yes. Thank you so much. Anak, kamusta?
Okay naman. Monday,
Yeah.
diba usually you feel really tired kasi
Yeah.
syempre weekend. Pero I'm okay.
Yeah, long weekend pa.
Oo, long weekend. I think that's the reason. Nakabakasyon lang.
Yeah, oh yes. Nag-advance vacation ba? Ganon?
Oo.
Ah,
Short vacation lang po with family.
Yeah.
Tapos nakabalik na kami. Kaya that was very much needed. Alam
Oh,
mo yun?
so that's nice. Tapos, Kian, I just want to know, may province ka ba?
Oh, yeah. Yung lolo ko po, he is from Butuan.
Yeah.
So, he was born and raised po there. Pero kami, ako na mga kapatid ko, here, born and raised in Manila. Kaso bumalik kami doon sa Butuan noong 2013 pa, ako. Pero yung dad and mom ko, kakapunta lang nila sa Butuan, I think, mga 2 years ago. Tapos may bahay po kasi kami doon, so I really want to go back.
So pero hindi ka lagi nandun sa Butuan pero naranasan mo yung buhay probinsya.
Yes, nandun po kami before for 3 weeks. Tapos doon po kami sa talagang may ilog. Tapos walang signal. Naglalaro lang kami sa labas noon. Tapos sa palengke kami namamalengke for food.
Yes.
Ganun. Love it.
So makikita mo yung difference. So, speaking of laro, so sabi mo nga dito ka sa Manila lumaki. Pero na-try mo ba yung na-experience mo ba na playing outside?
Oo, lagi.
Oh,
alam mo po yung
that's nice.
I think mga 8 years old ako nag-start noon. Tapos, nung time na yon, yung unang na-try ko is luksong tinik.
Oh, so that's nice.
Tapos natakot pa ako sa luksong baka kasi parang
Ang
ang taas na.
lakas ng tatalunan mo, no? Oo.
Tapos patintero, agawan base, ano pa ba? Chinese garter,
yeah.
oo, yung mga yon. Competitive ako, Mami Ring.
Oo nga, no?
Alam mo yung kahit na may peklat na ako.
Yes. so at least na-experience mo yun. So, hindi naman napapagalitan ng parents nila, Mommy.
Napapagalitan. Sorry, Mommy. Pero okay lang yun kasi sabi nila, na
Yeah.
experience mo din yun eh. Iba't ibang mga bata po yung nakakalaro ko noon. Tapos, lahat ng mga games gusto namin laruin. Tsaka, hanggang ngayon, nasa utak ko pa rin kung paano kung paano magpatintero, kung paano
Yeah, kasi ngayon kasi, not everybody, na na-experience yung mga kids nowadays, parang hindi na nga nila alam kung ano yung
Totoo.
patintero, yung piko.
Oo.
'Di ba?
Mga
Mas
tumbang
favorite
preso.
ko piko eh. Ewan ko, favorite na favorite
Oo,
ko
tsaka
piko.
minsan ikaw pa yung nagda-drawing.
Yeah,
ng
di ba? No, yun yung
gamit.
magandang part doon. So, at least na-experience mo. Kasi
Oo.
that's part of growing up.
True.
Yeah.
Lalo na as a Filipino.
Yeah, sa Filipino, kasi yun yung maganda. Tapos, dito ka na lumaki. So, dito na lahat nag-school. Dito na.
Dito po ako Nag-start ako ng school sa Creative Learning Paths. That is a small school before. Pero ngayon, full school na sila. Sa Parañaque po. Tapos, nag-grade school to high school po ako sa CSA Makati. Dito lang. And then, nagtapos ako ng college sa Benilde po.
Sabi niya. Oh, okay. So, dahil dito ka naman sa Manila, yung pagiging singer mo, yung singer, songwriter, kailan mo nalaman na I have this ability, especially the songwriting?
Yung pagiging singer po yun na una.
Okay.
Oo. So, ang nangyari po doon is, nung grade school ako yung first na student doon na gusto talaga na to be on stage. So, yung isa kong teacher, sabi niya, okay, we will have our first play, ikaw si Tinkerbell. Kasi Tinkerbell, di ba, quiet lang siya. So, ang ginagawa ko lang noon is tumatakbo around the stage, ng mga glitter.
Sprinkle ng glitters. Ayan. Bago ka mag-sprinkle ng glitters dyan sa atin at maganda yung kwentuhan natin, let's say hi to our comments first. Andyan, of course, Peter. Magandang gabi.
Hi,
Good
Peter!
evening. And then si Lara. Andyan si Lara Maxine. Ay, magandang gabi po. Si Franz, of course, also here. Hello. And good
everyone.
evening, Mommy Ray. And then si Lorraine, good evening po. Of course, my bebe is here. Hi, bebe ko. My daughter is here. Hello, be. And then si Lara, hello po, Mommy Ray and Mom Hera. Oo nga, si Hera. Mag-uusapan natin si Hera mamaya. And of course, ayan, si Micaela. Gandang gabi po. Of course, si Carmela. Sabi ni Carmela,
Hi,
Kiana. Ang sexy mo naman, sabi ni Carmela.
Thank
Ayan.
you.
And then si Rainiel, good evening po. Si Carlos. Hi, Carlos.
Hi, Carlos.
Ayan, go Kiana.
Team leader ko
Ayan,
yan.
sabi ni Carlos. Magandang gabi. At meron pa yata ako nakita pag-isa. Ayan,
Hi,
si
Marian.
Ron. Hello, good evening. Let's go Kiana. Ayan, sabi ni Mark. So, ayun na, nag-tinker-tinkerbell ka. That was in your grade school. So,
Hindi, Mami Ray, parang preschool pa lang eh.
preschool, naalala
4
mo
years
na.
old pa lang ako
Naku.
noon. Oo.
So, nagbibo-bibo ka na noon.
Oo, tas naaalala ko yung teacher ko noon, pati singing, dancing, tinuruan niya ako.
Mm.
Tapos, fun fact, now, 20 years later, I work for her na.
Talaga.
Oo. Kasi siya talaga yung, her name is Teacher Leslie. So,
Mm-mm.
siya talaga yung unang nag-influence sa akin to do theater at a very young age.
Young age.
And feel ko kasi, Mommy Ray, when you're very young, and natatak na sa'yo yung
Yeah.
kung anong gusto mong gawin,
Mm.
papatuloy mo na yan eh. So, pati grade school, high school, yun na yung naging path ko.
Okay. So, sabi mo preschool ka niyan. And then,
Mm-mm.
nag-grade school ka. So, dun sa grade school, tinuloy-tuloy mo na yung
Mm-mm.
singing and acting mo o singing pa lang ulit tayo?
Nung grade school, that's when I started songwriting.
Oh,
Opo.
so very young age.
Siguro nasa grade 4 po ako noon. Tapos nag-decide po ako na sobrang idol ko si Taylor Swift.
Okay, sige. Kapanahunan niya,
Songwriter.
Taylor Swift. Sige. Okay, go.
Tapos, sabi ko sa mommy ko tsaka sa daddy ko, gusto ko po mag-guitar lessons.
Mm.
I want to be like Taylor Swift. Ganon.
Yeah.
Pinag-guitar lessons nila ako. Tapos syempre, Mommy Ray, pag early stages, may stage fright ka
Yeah,
pa eh.
exactly.
Hanggang ngayon naman. Pero mas mas naaagapan na natin
Yes.
yung hindi na masyadong nakaka-consume.
Okay.
Pero nun talaga. Tapos, after that, nung natapos ko na yung isang cycle ko ng guitar lessons, nag-self-study na ako.
Oo.
Kasi I knew na the fundamentals eh.
Tapos yung paano magbasa nung notes, eh, no?
Opo, yung
Okay.
mga chords,
Yeah.
gano'n. Tapos after that, that's when I started to write songs na. Sabi ko, if we know how to do poetry in school, yung tinuturo sa
Yeah.
atin ng grade school, kaya pala na we can sing a melody, just rhyme some words, you know.
Okay.
Tapos yung mga first songs ko, naalala ko, it's
Yeah.
about the sky, the sky, my day, kung ano nangyari sa araw ko. Or
okay.
kaya magsusulat ako sa diary, tas kakantahin ko. Ganun po. That was grade school.
So sa grade school, it's all about what's happening in your life the whole day.
Yes.
So yun yung first song mo.
Yes.
Na sinulat mo, na nilagyan mo din ng or what you call, nilapatan mo din ng notes and songs and lyrics. So yun.
Oo. Tapos
So,
in-apply ko yung poetry.
naalala mo pa siya. Kinakanta mo pa ba siya ngayon?
Hindi.
Hindi na.
Hindi ko na maalala. Yun yung pinaka nare-regret ko. Sabi ko, saan ko nilagay? Alam ko, sinulat ko yun eh. Pero hindi ko na maalala. Pero ang dami nun.
Ang dami.
Mhm.
Pero kasi, naghalongkat ako sa Facebook mo eh. May nakita lang ako.
Kinakabahan naman ako.
May nakita lang ako sa Facebook. I saw na parang meron kang, you're singing with, yan, yung parang sa guitar and everything.
Oh.
Tapos, you're singing, that's your original song.
Yes.
Parang competition ba yun o sa school?
Actually po, ang nangyari doon is, I have a friend na siya ang lead guitarist ng banda ng Muni Muni. Ang pangalan niya si Ben Ayas. So, close kami ni Ben. Tapos, producer din siya. Sabi ko, Ben, I have a song. Actually, ito yung pinaka-recent na alam kong I really want to release it kasi madaming nakaka-relate.
Yeah.
Sabi ko sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya, tara. Tapos we went to the studio. Tapos ni-record namin yun together. And then, pinitch namin yun actually to GMA or Alt G Records. Yes. So, nung pinitch namin yun, yan po yung performance ko. Yan yung live performance ko ng Guapo. That's the title of the song po.
Okay.
So, yun, nung pinitch namin yun, they said, okay, we can release it under Alt G Records. Tapos, ang daming nakarelate dun sa kanta. Kasi napasok po siya sa Fresh Finds Spotify playlist.
Mm-mm.
Basta yung parang new release, tas naging top siya. Gulat ako kasi hindi ko naman ina-expect. Kasi syempre, you write songs from your experience, but also to connect to other people. So when that happened, sabi ko, talagang purpose ko din is to, yun nga, connect with my audiences, whoever is going through the same thing, at least nararamdaman nila na they're not alone.
Yeah.
And after that, hindi sa parang competition po, pero more of, I started doing more live gigs. Dahil doon sa na-release ko na yung first song ko.
So, yung first song mo is titled Guwapo.
Yes.
At dahil hindi namin alam yung gwapong yan, give us like a sample of that guwapo.
As in, sasabihin ko yung yung context niya?
Yeah,
or...
sige. Just a little bit of that para natin malaman. And then we will make sample natin yan. I-sample mo yung gwapong yan.
Hindi naman ako ready.
Hindi ready, pero sige.
Parang the lyrics goes,
Even the chorus, parang
minahal kita ng todo, binigay ang aking puso, inialay ko lahat ngunit hindi pa rin sapat. Sinadya ng tadhana na mawawala ka sa kabilang buhay na lang tayo magkasama. That's the chorus.
So nice! Ang ganda. Nasa Spotify siya.
Yes. it's on
Spotify lang? Or-
Spotify. May music video din siya on YouTube.
Okay.
Yes. And then, meron din siya sa Apple Music. Lahat. It's
Okay,
all,
sige. Isi-search natin yan mamaya. Yan gwapo yan. Pero kasi, di ba, usually, like sinabi mo kanina, alam ko kasi mga songwriter, yung mga sinusulat nila, minsan based on their experience. And then some of the people around them
Can relate.
can relate, di ba?
Tama.
Yung gwapong ba yan, own experience?
Oh.
Okay, own experience. So, na-heartbroken ka because of this gwapo.
Kaya ironic yung title.
Oo.
Kala mo gwapo. Gaganin mo. Hindi, parang ganun yung atake ng song.
Okay. So, hindi siya gwapo?
Di.
Hindi. Ganun talaga. Hindi siya gwapo. Hindi. Okay.
Honest.
So, parang bitter? Hindi. Ganun.
Di talaga. Hindi kinapagwapo yung ginawa niya. Ganon.
So the story is not like physically na gwapo. It's just like, yung ginawa mo sa akin, hindi siya nakakapogi.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Opo.
Oo, alam mo kasi, there's one person asked kanina sa GC, I don't know if nakita mo yun, if it's normal to cheat.
Oh my God. Huwag ako.
Ganon.
Parang, i-reference ko yung line ko as Hera from Daphne and the Olympians. Sabi niya, cheating is not and will never be okay. And I don't think it's ever gonna be okay.
Yes, right. So, yung gwapo, it's all about cheating.
Oh.
So talaga marami makaka-relate nowadays.
Oh,
Sige. So, after the gwapo na release mo yan, di ba? So, may nasunod na. May nasunod ka pang mga mga singles.
Which is releasing next month.
Wow, nice. Ng same label.
I decided po to go independent for this one.
Okay.
Tapos, this is called Stages. Yun yung title ng song. Pwede naman ata sabihin, yes.
Yeah, sige. Sige.
Stages yung title ng song, which is post-guwapo na she's figuring out the stages of her life. How she will go through that.
After the heartache with the guwapo.
Na hindi siya nag-give up. Alam mo yun? Kasi hindi niya ginawang mundo niya eh.
Yung guy.
Oo.
Okay.
Ganon.
So, paano mag-move on, no?
Yes.
O sige, ang dami nag-relate dun sa gwapo mo. Ang dami nag-react. So, basahin natin lahat sa mga reaction nila. Diba? So, eto na yung kinahihintay-hintay ko talagang manood sa akin. Maraming salamat sa panonood sa akin. Charles Dion, hi, Mommy. I love you, anak.
Si Mommy lang yung hinay.
Oo nga, hinay mo. Hindi mo hinay si Hera, sabi niya. Sabi ni Franz, wow, Swifty pala si Ma'am. Swifty pala si Ma'am Kiana. Okay. Tapos sabi ni Raynel, multi-talent si Ma'am. Tapos sabi ni Lara, ay, ang gwapo nga. Sabi naman ni Carmela, gwapo nga. Ay, ano bang itsura niyan at sinaktan ka? Ay, galit. Nagalit
siya sa akin.
Oo, nagalit si Carmela. Sabi ni Lara, we have our own gwapo. Yeah.
Yes,
Every person has a own gwapo.
I'm sure.
Sabi ni Bebs, ang talented ni Kiana.
Mas talented ka, Ma'am
Yeah.
Beb.
Ay, ang haba ng sabi ni Franz. Eto na. Ma'am Kiana, ask ko lang, since you're a songwriter, what do you think about the AI-generated songs and ang mga gumagamit ng AI to make music? Kuya, ang ganda ng question ni
Ganda ng
Franz.
question.
Okay, yeah. If you still have question for Kiana, just drop it in and sasagutin niya. Pero bago yan, meron akong nakita. Parang si Direk nag-hi, si Direk Rodel.
Hi, Direk!
Yan. Sabi ni, hi, then sabi ni
Hi po,
Charles,
Ate Kiana.
Kiana, ay, inati Kiana, si Hera. And then, ay, good evening, Mami Rian Kiana. Tapos sabi ni Lara, name drop po sa Spotify profile. Okay. Tapos,
Kiana Aliyah.
wala na. Okay, sige. Hi, Ate Kiana. Okay. So, to answer Fran's question, yun na.
Hirap niyan na.
Mm.
AI for artists
Oo.
or to release songs. AI means artificial intelligence.
Yes.
Diba? So ako, naniniwala ako na AI should be used to enhance, to educate, and to refine. So when you have those adjectives gathered up in a list, paano mo ba ma-define yun? So for me, for example, gumagamit ba ako ng AI? Yes. Sa work, when it comes to wanting to know about something or wanting to know more about something, wanting further or deeper research on something. However, let's try to consider that artists, the labor of artists, the labor of production, the production team, the labor of cast and crew can never be replaced by artificial intelligence.
Yes, exactly.
So, each and every person's product or songwriting na nilalabas nila, galing sa puso nila yan. Galing sa puso't isipan, sa pinagdadaanan, sa experience, katulad ng pinag-usapan natin, which should not, in my opinion, be replaced by AI. The reason behind that is because the labor that each and every artist would put into songs, into scripts, into productions would be wasted and will become inauthentic. And kung pwede ko lang i-quote si Direk Rodel. Kasi Direk would always say na lahat ng ginagawa natin is for the passion.
Yeah.
Do you think na if you try to create a song from AI, where's the passion?
Yes, exactly. Diba? Tsaka, diba, usually kasi talaga ang mga songwriters, nanggagaling yung lyrics sa puso eh. Kung gagamitin mo ang AI, nasa na ang puso?
Nasaan ang passion?
Nasa na ang passion, di ba? Mas masarap kasi manggaling lahat sa'yo.
Oo.
Di ba? No? Para ramdam na ramdam mo yung kung ano yung binibigay nung kanta mo.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's the fruit of the hard work.
Yes.
Diba?
Yun. Tapos sabi mo nga, may lalabas ka na next month na song.
Yes. Yes.
Stages.
Yes.
Can we ask for ano yung stages na yun?
Yan na naman.
Ano naman yung stages na yan, diba?
Yung stages, it still mentions some parts of Guapo. Parang nakaraan, nagmahal siya ng todo. Tapos, syempre, naging dehado siya doon.
Yeah.
But she still decided to get up. Kasi, parang ang biggest life lesson here is, pag nagmahal ka ng tao, may bibigay lahat. Magtira ka para sa sarili mo.
Exactly.
Kasi you're gonna thank yourself down the line na buo ka pa rin eh. Or kaya mo pa rin buuin yung sarili mo. Because by the end of the day, kahit ilan yung friends and family mo, you're still the one who's responsible for yourself to get back up. So love is supposed to be a good feeling, not a feeling that will make you feel empty.
Yes,
Diba?
exactly. Oo.
So yun ang stages.
Wow. Parang ang ganda. So, dapat pakinggan muna natin yung Guapo para makikita natin sequel ng stages, diba? Tapos yung nga, may nagtanong si Max drop down yung profile ng Spotify. Oo.
Yung first two names, Kiana Aliyah.
Okay.
Yes.
At dahil dyan, sabi nga rin ni Lara Maxine, dahil dyan may 20 tayo. Thank you for the stars! Thank you for the stars,
Thank
Max.
you.
Ayan, masarap ang ating hapunan dahil meron tayong 26 na stars, di ba?
Love it.
Ayan. So, you're working and
Mm.
then singer-songwriter ka. Saan pumapasok yung pagiging artista?
Okay.
Kailan nag-start ang pagiging artista mo?
So, yung pagiging artista or yung passion ko for it started nung high school.
Okay.
So, nung high school kasi, may club kami sa school na theater. Tapos, yung club na yon parang nag-audition ka. Same nang ginawa
Yeah,
natin.
so yung theater na talaga since high school. Okay.
Opo. So, nag-audition ka. Tapos, the first time na nag-audition ako doon, hindi ako natanggap.
Okay.
So, that really caused me to, hindi naman sa nagalit ako or anything, pero I really wanted to be better. Sabi ko, gusto ko patunayan ko sa sarili ko na next year, when I audition again, I can get in.
Okay.
So, the next year, that was the last year I had na, senior high na ako nun na I got in.
Okay.
Tapos talagang ginawa ko siyang priority.
Mm.
Kasi sabi ko, I want to make it my future. And siguro this is something na napag-usapan ko na din with my parents na that time when I was about to go to college na po. Tinanong ko, Mom, Dad, what do you want na course? Or where should I go? Can you guide me kung ano yung path ko? Mag-teatro ka, anak. Sabi ko talaga. Kasi yung ibang mga friends ko na teatro, hindi sila pinayagan na mag-theater.
Okay.
And I realized na there were a lot of people pala na were stopped to take theater for many reasons. May it be themselves, family, unavailability, ganon. But at that moment, I felt na I'm doing this because I have the support of my parents. And they never failed to show that.
Yeah.
Kaya nung nasa college ako, dalawa yung napasukan ko nun I got into LaSalle as a psychologist major. And then yung isa, binild na theater arts.
So, ano pinili mo?
Theater arts.
So so into theater arts ka na talaga?
Yes. As
Okay.
in, 5-year course. 5 years ako nag-college.
Okay.
Natapos ko yun.
Okay. So, kayo, nandito ka sa field na to talaga. So, during the college days, kasi alam ko ang LaSalle, alam ko ang Binil, they have this theater also.
Yes.
So, nandun ka din sa theater nila?
Yes. Kasi
Okay.
yun po yung mga namin mga subjects namin back in the day na kailangan talagang mag-stage ka ng buong production. Kaya lahat nagawa ko na yung maging SM, nagawa ko na maging technical crew, nagawa ko na mag-marketing, mag-usher, nagawa ko na din mag-actress. Kasi they teach you everything.
Okay.
Oo.
So parang na-open ka na, pero alam mo, sa industriyang ito ng teatro, it's not a stable income. Hindi siya nakakabuhay, di ba? Pero because you love it, the
Yes.
passion is there,
Mm-mm.
go ka.
Yes. Yes. Alam mo, Mommy Ray, nung nalala mo nung last show na natin sa Bulacan. Ganun na ako no?
Yeah.
tapos si Direk, masok na siya. We were all eating
Yeah.
Jollibee. Tapos sabi niya, ang iba, parang ang tagal nilang iniiwan ang acting. Pero nang magugulat na lang ako na magme-message sa akin, Direk, paartehin mo ko, nangangati ako. Actually, totoo yun.
Yeah.
It feels like a kate. Alam mo yung an itch na, I have to be on stage.
Yes.
Or kahit hindi stage, I have to be part of the crew to do something related to the production, to make art. And sinabi niya din na, totoo, walang masyadong kita when it comes to theater.
Yes. Yeah.
But the pagod is there. Kahit na you know that you're not gonna get back as much financially.
Exactly.
But the thing is kasi, napaka-fulfilling yung impact ng isang show
Yes.
na nakakataba ng puso.
Yeah.
Na hindi mo na din iniisip yon. Kasi by the end of the day, siguraduhin mo lang na may trabaho ka, pay your bills, but do your passion.
Yeah.
Diba?
At saka iba kasi sa teatro no? You will see the reaction of your audience.
Na minsan na break yung character mo
Oo.
kasi napaka
Oo,
Diba?
ganun sila. And then also in theater kasi, you can express agad.
Oo.
Yung gusto mo malalim ang teatro no?
Mm-mm.
Do. So yun yung maganda sa atin. Plus, so sabi mo nga, nagawa mo na lahat. When was your first professional acting? You can call it professional because you have your TF na
Mm-mm.
in theater. When was that?
Daphne.
So this is your first
Oo.
Okay.
Ang tagal kong nawala. After
college.
college, di na ako bumalik kasi kinailangan ko na work that time. Mm-mm.
Okay.
So, nung nag-audition ako last year, di ako nag-expect nun. Pero may kate ako nun, Mommy Ray.
That was your first audition after college?
Yes. Ang
Okay.
tagal ko talaga nawala nun,
Okay.
after college. Tapos, sabi ko, ang daming tao nun, nung nag-audition, anong oras na ata kayo?
Okay.
Tapos sabi ko, in God's will,
Yeah.
if He gives it to me, then He gives it to me.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ayan na
may
yung-
papakita po tayo na yun habang nag-audition niya.
Yan pa talaga.
Yung sinasabi niya, nakating-kati siya. Okay.
Tignan mo, diba nangangate?
Nangangati ka ba dyan sa audition mo yan?
Oo. Determinado siya.
Yeah. I think you audition on the second day, kaya ang dami.
Ang dami talaga.
Ang dami.
So sabi ko, I'm not going to expect kasi alam ko naman na I just showed up, I was prepared, I did my best.
Yeah.
Tapos nagulat na lang ako, nag-message sa akin si Ma'am Bevs.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, you got in.
Yeah.
Ganun na. Oo, talaga.
Oh.
Oo, pero sabi ko, wow. Kasi ever since, parang si Ma'am Bevs, she's very warm She's very accommodating sa lahat.
Yeah.
Tapos lahat talaga inaasikaso niya, sinasagot niya yung mga tanong. Pero siguro na-sense niya that time na kabado ako. Kasi hindi ko naman alam
Halata.
Hindi ko naman alam
Yeah.
kung ano yung
Do you
magiging
remember
result.
your audition piece na binigay sa'yo?
Oo.
Ano?
Scarla May.
Yun na talaga.
Oo.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
And then, I remember, pinakanta kayo no? Tsaka pinasayaw?
Yes.
Sayaw.
Yes.
So, ready ka naman doon sa kanta tsaka sa sayaw?
Yes. May dala pa nga akong gitara nun, Mami Ray.
Ay, talaga?
Kasi kala ko one by one yung audition.
Oh.
Pero by group pala. So, sabi ko,
Kasi ang
tinago
dami.
ko na lang.
Kasi ang dami. Hindi ka kayaning mag one by one Ang dami. Oo.
Totoo. Pero tinutukan kami lahat ni Direk nun.
Yeah.
Galing na.
Kahit ano yun.
Galing
Okay.
ng
So, that's your
process.
first experience.
Yes.
And everything. So, that was nice. Pero bago yan, marami pa tayong pagkukwentuhan. Magbasa muna tayo kasi para ang dami na namang comments.
Talaga?
Yes. Yan. Sabi ni Max, wow, all-in-one po pala si Ma'am Hera.
Aww.
Tapos sabi ni Carmela, grabe ka na, Kiana, how to be you po. Sabi ni
Grabe.
Carmela. Yan. Tapos sabi ni Mecca, paano nyo po nababalance ang pagiging singer and artista while handling your responsibility as a college student? That was before. And what is the biggest sacrifice na kinailangan yung gawin all the way? Ayan.
For me, wait lang, gusto ko basahin yung comment. Graduate na po ako. So, I graduated noong 2023.
Yeah.
Tapos, I know that time, I needed to take a break talaga.
Oh.
Yeah. Parang pagod ako nun
Yeah.
Kasi noong time na yun, parang yung production namin from 7 a.m., uwi na kami mga midnight.
Yeah.
Ganun. Ganun naman talaga.
Yeah, gano'n naman talaga.
Which, for a point in time, your body can really be built for that. Kasi hindi na ang tulog ang nakakapag-empower sa'yo Momentum na Di ba? Adrenaline na Minsan monster. Di ba?
Yeah.
Ganun na Pero, nung time na yun, I had to accept that I got tired. And yung fatigue ko wasn't just physically, but it was more of mentally, hindi na siya parang...
Nagpa-function.
Oo.
Okay.
So sabi ko, I need to take a break first. And ang ginawa ko in order to still stay in the field of theater is nagturo ako ng theater.
Yun.
Yeah. So, I started to teach kids.
Yun nga yung tatanong ko sa'yo. Kasi nakita ko yan sa Facebook mo. Sorry po, naghalongkat. So, nakita ko yan sa Facebook na nagtuturo ka. So, ididikit ko yan dun sa tanong ni Mecca. How do you balance your time now that you're an actress, you're working, and then, nagtuturo ka pa? Kasi minsan nagsasabay-sabay di ba? May work ka, and then, yung rehearsal on the weekends, tapos minsan, lalo pa ang show nasa weekend. Paano mo nababalance lahat?
So, totoo yung sinasabi nila na when you write things down and have a priority list, it all comes together and makes sense.
Okay.
Kasi we can easily result to spreading ourselves too thin and naging yes man ka. Kumbaga lahat na yes mo. But the thing is about commitments, lahat sila in-expect nila yung 100% mo eh.
Yeah.
Pero hindi nila alam na you're only giving tig 30, tig 30,
Yeah.
tig 30. Alam mo yon. So, ang ginagawa ko, for example, for Daphne,
Yeah.
na sinalihan ko. For context kasi, si Mommy Ray and Derek, they called me about a week before na we had 2 rehearsals in store, no? Pero kaya we
Yeah.
called it, oh, hello!
Kinaya niya po. Kinaya niya po yung 2 rehearsals. Okay.
Tapos parang sabi ko, for the times na you know that you will be needed 100%, give your 100%.
Yeah.
Don't say yes anymore to any other commitments.
So-
And pakiusapan mo na way ahead of time. Kasi dito, what I'm lucky about in First Son is they will tell you way in advance.
Yeah.
So, because you were given that leeway, it's your responsibility to clear your priorities.
schedules.
Yes,
Oo.
for that day. So, very fortunate ako na I was in that position. And then, by the end of the day, kahit pagod, very fortunate ako na na-fulfill ko yung 100% ko. Yung ginusto kong ibigay yun. When it comes to other things naman, kunwari pag nagtuturo ako ng theater,
Yeah.
kung alam ko na I needed 100% or I need to focus on something to teach the kids 100%, ibibigay ko. Ibibigay ko sa kanila. Pati sa work, pag may project, ibibigay ko. Pero on days na, kasi sometimes, at sakit ko to, Mami Ray, I did not know how to say no before. Kahit na wala ka na namang kailangan gawin, kahit na pwede ka namang umuwi or
Yeah,
matulog na, gusto mo kasi na you're always there,
Yeah.
ready to help. But you're allowed to say no. And in turn, actually, mas nagkakaroon ng respeto ang mga tao sa'yo because you know how to set your boundaries.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
So that's the way na parang you have to think that you are in control of your life and avoid trying to please everyone by saying yes if you know you can't give your 100%.
Yes. Kasi minsan, akala natin, ang hirap magsabi ng no no? Pero minsan you have to say no pag alam na ng katawan lupa mo na hindi mo kakayanin. Sabi mo nga, nagtuturo ka sa mga bata. Anong ages ng mga batang tinuturuan mo ng acting?
Ang youngest is nasa 3
Yeah.
years old.
Okay.
Ang oldest is 18 or magna
So,
19.
how hard is it?
It's hard in a sense na when they get unruly, but I wouldn't describe it as difficult, lalo na kung passion mo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, it's something that I really like doing.
Oh, okay. Kasi nakita ko nga dun sa ano mo na parang nag-e-enjoy ka naman at saka hindi lang ikaw ang mag-isa doon eh. Madami kayo, no? Parang
Yes.
parang group ng kids yung tinuturuan nyo eh, no?
Opo. Parang
Opo.
the company po is called Make Believe Productions. So, madami po kaming teachers na
Yeah.
iba't iba yung specialty na tinuturo namin. So, yung iba is in charge of singing, yung
Yeah.
iba dancing,
Yeah.
yung iba acting,
Yeah.
ganon. So, yun. Kaya, alam mo, teamwork.
Team.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
hindi ka din masyadong parang pagod naman.
So, nung time na sinabi mo nga, you're giving your 100% and then you divide your time equally. Diba? So, nung sinabi namin sa'yo na you're gonna have like this rehearsal lang, so nag-set aside ka muna dun sa pagtuturo. Sinabi mo, hindi mo na ako makakapagturo ganito.
Fortunately, naka-break kami. As in, we're resuming April 11. So,
So April pa. So maganda yon. So kung April 11, ano yan? Everybody is welcome. May age limit hanggang 18 lang. Yung pagtuturo nyo dun sa dun sa theater nyo. Dun
bale, dalawang classes po siya.
Okay.
So, yung una, baby. So, yung baby from 3 to 6 years old.
Oh.
Tapos, 7 years old until 18, that's the second class.
Okay.
Tapos, yun, hindi siya per Saturday. Kunwari, 16 sessions siya.
Okay.
Every Saturday. Hanggang sa matapos yung 16 sessions na yun. Tapos break. Tapos tumawag kayo nung break. Sabi ko, perfect! Di ba? Ang galing ng timing ni Mommy Ray.
So 16 sessions. So parang nangyayari, parang morning class yung kids.
Yes.
And then yung second half is on the afternoon.
Yeah.
Every weekends or every Saturdays lang?
Every Saturdays lang.
So every Saturdays lang siya. And then mag-start kayo on April.
Yes, 11.
So, saan yan? Saan lugar yan?
Ito po sa BGC siya.
Oh.
Oo. So, pagdaan nyo sa Uptown Mall, sa directions sa Uptown Mall, Capitol House, 15th floor, it's called Sage Studios.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So, I'm gonna give you later a chance to invite them and then where they can PM you and everything para
Yes.
for the, I think this is gonna be a summer workshop theater for kids, no? Para
Mm-mm.
magiging ganon. Okay. Before I'm gonna ask you a question, eto may nag-hi. Sabi ng anak ko, hi ate.
Hello!
There's Gaily. Hi daw, sabi ni Gaily. And then Zaira is there. Mami Ray and Ate Kiana, hello po, sabi
Hi,
ni Zaira. Okay. So, di ba sinabi nga, sabi mo naka-break and then sinabi namin you're gonna have like this two rehearsal day.
Yes.
So, nasa ulo mo na-memorize mo yung script, di ba?
Oo.
Are you really a dancer? O nung nakita mo may dance step pala, ano na ang reaction mo?
Ano ang reaction mo? Kasi may
Okay.
share lang ako.
I'm okay.
When we were rehearsing the dance for the first time, by partner kasi, may part na by partner. Tapos pumasok si Mommy Ray nung part na ni Zeus and ni Hera, yung ida-drag across the room. Tapos sabi ni Mommy Ray, may mommy instincts kasi to. Sabi niya, Kian, halata na nahihirapan ka. Okay lang, relax ka lang.
Yeah.
Tense na tense kasi ako noon. Parang sinend na kasi sa akin ni Mommy Ray nung una pa lang na you have to learn the dance or this is the song of the dance.
Because they changed the dance step. So, nabago. Sorry naman po. So, nabago siya. Kasi hindi ko din po alam na mababago. So, kasi sinend na namin dun sa mga bago yung dance step. Pero last minute, there's changes. Pero which is mas maganda naman yung naging changes, di ba?
Yeah,
Diba?
super. Nung time na yon, syempre, hindi ko talaga strength ang dancing. Hanggang ngayon naman. Pero, siguro naging advantage ko na lang that time is strength ko ang acting.
Yeah.
Strength ko ang singing.
Yeah.
So, madali na lang na nasa mind ko na yon. Tapos, ifo-focus ko na lang ang dancing
Okay.
na ibibigay ko yung 100% attention ko
Yeah.
sa kanya.
O sige. Ang dami na tong question about Hera. Okay, sabi naman ni Reyna, kakatapos ko lang makinig sa gwapo, grabe naman ang hugot, ganda rin nung kanta. Sige,
Thank you so
papakinggan
much
natin yan.
po.
Tapos sabi ni Mecca, is last question po, looking beyond your achievements po as a graduate singer, artist, ano po yung mga pinaka-complex at unseen challenge na encounter nyo? And how did those experience influence your decision-making resilience ng personal growth?
Okay.
Lalim, ha? Isa-isahin natin. Ano yung pinaka-complex challenge na unseen na encounter mo?
I think I will talk about this kasi a lot of people relate to it. Yung when you have doubters, bashers, haters, negative comments.
Mm.
Na-experience ko din yun eh. I think lahat naman tayo. That's something na now you have to be equipped with when you enter this industry. Because you're gonna have a lot. Ang daming sasabihin ng mga tao na hindi siya makakabuti sa health mo. By default, as humans, when we're criticized, dalawa lang naman yan eh. Number one, it's either we'll be defensive, or number two, we're gonna do everything to change ourselves in order to be more likable.
Yeah.
Diba? That was so challenging kasi the time na I would still read or be aware about those comments, naririnig ko talaga is pangit siya magsalita, pangit yung boses niya, ang taba niya, alam mo yun, yung mga comments na ang sakit, yung dadalhin mo talaga, yung hindi ka naman kilala ng tao na yun, but they're saying stuff about you. For a point in time, it really got to me na I didn't want to ever be seen in a camera, look at myself in a mirror. Sobrang naging insecure talaga ako. And I really had to take a step back and ask myself, why are you doing this ba? Why? What's your purpose? Okay. For yourself. Kasi sometimes, kunwari, pag napapanood mo yung mga audience feedback, it's always gonna be positive. But then a percentage of that will be negative din eh. And sometimes, you let it get to you na, oh my gosh, what can I do to change and make this person like me more? But then sometimes we forget to ask the question of, what am I doing right? What should I keep doing in order to connect with these people? For myself, to fulfill myself. So, a lot of grounding, a lot of humility, and na-learn ko din na kahit anong edad mo, you never stop growing.
Yes,
You never
exactly.
stop learning.
Yes.
In First Son, si Direk, which is our director, he will always tell us, this is what you can improve on. And if you have the mindset of, hindi, galing-galing ko na nga, sabihin mo na, then wala. You won't be able to improve at all.
Yeah.
Personality-wise, as an actor, ganun. Pero if you're open to criticism and then only take what resonates, wag mo nang isipin yung, ang taba mo, ang pangit mo, wag mo nang isipin yun. That's not necessary. That's just gonna break your mental health.
Yeah.
Pero you take what resonates, then tsaka kang manonotice mo na lang, oh, nagawa ko yun.
Yeah. Minsan kasi yung criticism, sa akin the way you said it, ang criticism kasi minsan will make you pa a stronger person.
Yes.
A better person na parang,
Yes.
ay, ginaganito nyo. Always make the negative be positive. For me, that's it eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Kahit sa'yo, the way you said it, lahat ng mga negative na narinig mo, mas ginalingan mo pa eh.
Yeah.
Mas gagalingan mo, mas lalo ka magiging, ay, eto ang sabi nyo, mas gagalingan ko pa.
Exactly.
Diba? Dapat
Exactly.
yun eh. Okay, next. What? Sabi ni Zeus, ano po ang challenges nyo bilang si Hera? Sabi ni Zeus, ni Charles Dion.
Siguro yung katabi ko siya. Hindi,
Why?
I don't mean that in a bad way.
Why?
Kasi si Charles, nung nalaman ko na siya si Zeus, he's part of every play. He's part of Banaag, he's part of Kasin, he's part of Monumento, Daphne, lahat. So,
And
and positibo pa.
Yeah.
And ang dami na niyang nagawa. So, nung nalaman ko na siya, syempre, you're aware of First Son, the actors, ganun. Sabi ko, kailangan kong galingan. Kasi competitive ako, ganun.
Yeah.
Tapos, it was a challenge for me because I felt very, alam mo yung rusty. Ang tagal mo ng, like, where's my footing? Everyone already knows what they're doing, and I don't know if I'm doing it right. And again, you're not supposed to seek validation naman all the time eh. Na ask if, am I doing it right? Parang pinapakiramdaman mo na lang yan na, am I doing it right? Okay, they didn't say anything. Yes, I'm doing it right.
Okay lang sa'yo na nasisita or na kino-correct yung mga mali mo. Kasi there are artists na pag sinabi mo, mali, bawasan mo to or dadagdagan mo. Are you okay with that?
More than okay.
mas okay, no?
Very okay.
Yes.
As in, for me, I would appreciate it pa. Pagkatabi mo si Charles, he has this way kasi na he will really tell you in a good way.
Yeah.
Yung siguro ako very thankful na siya yung naging partner ko in this because he was really there, like bilang pillar na talagang he knew na I was new
Yeah.
and he was really able to give guidance in order for me to be better. Pero despite him knowing na he's part of everything, it never became a mayabang thing.
Yes. Ay, mabait siya.
Super bait.
Mabait yan si Charles.
Mm-mm.
Kaya katuntuwa ko ngayon nanonood siya. Sobrang love ko yan si Charles.
Nanonood
Ayan.
siya for you.
No, for you, I
Hindi,
think.
for
Okay.
you.
Sabi ni Lorraine, nakarelate po ba kayo sa role nyo kay Hera?
Oo. Si Hera, ilang beses siyang niloko eh.
Oo. Diba?
Diba?
Pero nakastand at matapang.
Oo.
Diba?
Hindi yun naman papatalo sa pagluloko, Mami Ray. Alam mo
Yeah.
naman na.
Dahil Women's Month. Eto pa, bilisan. Tapos sabi po ni Lara, for you po, what's something you see or you want to see in the future of theater arts? Based po sa mga batang tinuturuan nyo. Nice question.
To have an advocacy for it. Be in theater arts with a purpose. I believe naman, anybody can have talent and skill and dedication to theater, but you're supposed to ask yourself by the end of the day, why am I doing this? Kami sa First Son, I will speak for you also,
Yeah,
Mommy
okay.
Ray.
Sige.
We're here to educate people eh.
Yeah, okay.
Kaya talagang dumadayo kami all the way to Bulacan. Alam mo yung lahat kami willing na bumiyahe sa Visayas and Mindanao para lang magbigay ng edukasyon sa mga tao.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So yun yung why are you on stage? You have to have a purpose. Connect with your character. What is your character trying to teach? Ano ang role mo bilang alam mo na may nanonood sa'yo?
Yeah.
So yun.
Yun yun.
I hope that answers.
Yeah. Okay. Sabi ni Carmela, do you have any inspiration right now for your future songs? Ay, ang lalim. Parang may alam siya.
Inspiration right now is gusto ko lang talaga ma-complete yung album ko na me. Alam mo yung I want to do it na I'm writing my songs. Vulnerable
Yeah.
feelings, raw.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be my inspiration, the present moment.
Okay. Meron sinabi si Zaire. Ang ganda nung sabi ni Zaire. Yes po, sabi ni mami ko, wag daw pansinin ng mga basher or bad comments that make you feel down kasi hindi ka daw po magiging masaya. Yeah, right. Pero, for me po, I take those feedbacks or mga comments to improve myself na po na depende na lang sa akin if I take it na bad or good po. Yeah, right
Wow,
naman yun.
love
Tapos
that.
sabi ni Lara, ang ganda po ni Hera at ni Zeus po may
Si
babae.
Zeus po may babae. Talaga?
Ay, pero in real life naman, hindi babaero si Zeus. Maniwala kayo sa akin.
Talaga?
Oh, thank you again, Lorraine, for our 20 stars. Maraming salamat po. Do we still have comments for our lovely guest? Wala na. Ayan. Nakarelate daw po si Ma'am Sir. Hindi din po siya papatalo. And then, okay, sige. Yan. Hi, maraming salamat. Ito na. Sa dami-dami ng ginagawa mo, like, sabi mo nga, at least now you're in break for the theater. For the theater, ngayon, break pa tayo. Tapos break ka din dun sa pagtuturo mo. You're just like with sa work mo. Do you still have time na magstay sa bahay mo? Are you a homebody?
Yes.
Really?
Super.
Okay.
Oo.
So, if I'm gonna ask you, what part of the house ikaw? Anong part ka ng bahay mo?
CR.
Okay. Bakit CR?
Kasi doon ako talaga nakakapag-muni-muni, Mommy Ray.
Yes, no. Anong meron sa CR, no? Sa restroom?
Yung acoustics. Yung parang naririnig mo yung sarili mong boses na nagsiko-concert ka doon. At yung sarili mong thoughts na paka-quiet. Alam mo
Hindi,
yun,
no? There are times talaga pag nasa CR ka, parang lahat doon pumapasok lahat sa thoughts mo yung, ay, magagawa ko to. Ay, eto pala. Di ba, ano, parang may nagbubulong sa CR, so you're gonna be a CR.
Yeah.
And then, ever since kasi nakita ko po si Kiana, she's always pretty, wearing makeups. And, alam mo yun, lagi siyang ready for makeup. Hindi siya talaga, kahit very, very light. If I'm gonna ask you, what kind of makeup you are? Anong makeup?
Setting powder.
Oh,
Alam mo
why?
bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi setting powder yung nagpa-finalize ng lahat eh. I feel like makeup is a step-by-step procedure. Siyempre, skincare muna, primer, foundation,
Yeah.
blush. Pero pag nilagay mo na yung setting powder, that means, oh, you're good to go. So, I'm setting powder kasi I want everything to be organized muna. I want everything to be sure muna before I say yes to something or before I push for something. So, alam, yung loose powder, Mami Rhea. Yung
Yeah, I know.
ganon.
Oo, so parang dapat organize. And
Yeah.
okay. So, di namin,
Makes sense.
yeah, it makes sense. Sabi mo nga, ever since that kid,
Mm.
doon mo na na-focus in theater arts eh. Diba? Yun na
Yes.
rin ang kinuha mo in college.
Mm-mm.
So, sa haba nun until now that you're in this industry, kasi hindi na tayo, nandito ka na eh. Nandito ka na sa industriyang to eh. Kahit saan ka namin ilagay o saan ka ilagay, nandito ka na. Ano naging mantra mo in life?
Ang naging mantra ko talaga is just keep swimming. Alam mo yung sinabi
Yeah.
ni Dory? Because again, lahat ng mga nangyayari sa atin, hindi naman yan planado eh. You can't be able to know when it's gonna go your way, when it's not gonna go your way. So you just have to keep swimming because the current might be strong and you have to keep swimming through that, but the current might be calm and then the water is clear, you're able to really ground yourself and then move forward. So, wala. It's unpredictable. The only thing that's constant in life is change.
Yes, exactly.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, just keep swimming.
Yes, ang ganda ng mantra niya. And then, dami mo na nga eh. You're here na. This is your first theater. Sabi mo nga, naging professional theater actress ka na. Not like, hindi lang coach or hindi lang coach sa mga batang tinuturuan mo sa theater. Nasaan ka na ngayon sa buhay mo?
I'm at my happiest.
Wow, how? Why?
I think. Kasi, ano na eh, parang I'm at that stage na tanggap mo na kahit anong mangyayari, life is never gonna be perfect, but you're always gonna want to just look at the glass half full instead of half empty.
Yes,
Diba?
exactly.
Because you're just gonna do things to fulfill yourself, fill your cup. And if you know na there's nothing left to fill, you take a rest. That's your body's indicator, your mind's indicator na magpahinga ka muna. And I learned a lot din eh, kasi I think I also learned how to surround myself with the correct people to
Right.
influence me to
Yeah.
think this way.
Yeah.
Because maybe 5 years ago, 3 years ago, I didn't think this way po.
Oh.
And now, parang I always try to have a positive mindset. So it's very fulfilling in all aspects. I think I'm very happy po right
Are
now.
you a kind of person that living one day at the time, or you're always panicking what will happen in the future?
I live one day at a time.
Oh, so that's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. Kasi if I don't know what's gonna happen yet, I know that I have control over the present more than the future po.
Yeah, that's right. Ay, napaka-intelihente po ng aking guest ngayon. Honest, kasi ang dami ko din natutunan sa kanya. Not only dahil ako yung matanda, marami na ako alam. Pero
Bagets pa yan.
mas marami ako natutunan sa kanya how to budget your time, how to love your craft. Alam mo yon. So, eto na. I'm gonna give you the floor to invite them sa iyong summer workshop for the kids, kung saan yan, kung paano kanila mapipm, and then you can also invite them sa mga future pang mga ganap mo, where we can listen your mga singles mo, especially later, I'm gonna listen dak guwapo, and also your social media, anak, so they can follow you.
Yes. So we have Stage Lights Drama Camp Workshop in Make Believe Productions sa BGC called Sage Studios, Capital House. It will start ng April 11 and then the culminating or recital will be in RCBC Theater on July 26. So if interested kayo mag-enroll, please message me or Make Believe Productions. Tapos, I have another single coming out next month. It's called Stages. Please follow my Facebook page, Kiana Aliyah, my Spotify, Kiana Aliyah, my YouTube, Kiana Aliyah. so that you can be updated with the upcoming releases. And yun lang. Thank you so much
Thank
for having
you
me.
so much. Ayan. So, ako po, please don't forget, at sabi ko nga, please don't forget to follow us or always watch us every Monday, Chikahan with Mommy Ray. Opo. Tapos every Wednesday, the podcast, Up Top Download with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Dion. And every Friday, the Coffee Chat with Daven Noveno po. Every Friday, every MWF po yan, 7 p.m. at Ignos Novos Artist Management Facebook page, which pareho din po ng aming Instagram. Plus, like, follow, subscribe din po tayo sa aming TikTok account at ignosnovos.official. Of course, follow our mother company, First Son Production, Facebook and Instagram for follow niyo yan para you can see all our events, yung mga ganap din po namin. Plus, our YouTube channel, First Son Creatives, na mapapanood niyo tong aming live naming interview kay Kiana sa TikTok within 24 hours. Plus, yung aming mga events, aming Way Back Wednesday, yung mga ganap namin sa theater, dyan po sa aming YouTube channel, First Son Creatives. Anak, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mommy.
Maraming salamat for sharing yourself to us. Nalaman namin na you have a single, your dreams, yung passion mo dito sa industriyang ito. Maraming for sharing it with us.
Thank you so much for having me, everyone.
Yes, sabi nga po ni Kiana, dito sa industriyang ito, dapat you have the passion. Yung passion na yun na magtutulong sa'yo na to share it with other people. Hindi man po kami kumikita or we're not earning that much in this theater, but we have the passion to share kung ano yung minahal namin. Plus, in this industry, dapat you have to take all the negative feedback as a positive para sa'yo, para ikaw ma-develop mo yung sarili mo. Don't take it all the negative na para criticism for you. It's gonna help you in this industry to be better and be a better person and a strong person. Ito po ang inyong Mommy Ray. Laging nagsasabi, everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye! Thank you. See you all next week. Bye, anak. Maraming salamat.
Mga kwentuhan na dapat mong malaman.
Kasi magpapatulong, o sige, bigyan mo ako walang in return. Sinong tutulong sa mga taong yun na para maabot yung mga pangarap nila?
Tsaka pag gusto mo naman po kasi yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo siya maiisip na, na parang draining.
Kasi lahat posible. Lahat ng bagay is posible.
Do something that you love. Habang pagod na pagod ka, hindi ka give up kasi you love what you're doing.
Always remember po ang lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo. Everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye!